everybody, so welcome back to my channel. My sorry, my little sister is laughing in the background and it's just kind of funny. Anyways, my birthday look. So I am doing my eyebrows now. I spent like 20 minutes on I think 30 minutes, because I just wanted them to be perfect for this look. And then afterwards I am cleaning it up with some concealer just for the perfection purposes. And I am blending it out with a little brush, and I'm really feeling myself with this look because I'm really happy for the vision and how it's coming together. So I'm going to be using this NYX white eyeshadow pencil just to have like a base for all the colors we're going to put on top, which is just pink. And then I'm going to be using this palette by Rude called the Roaring 20s palette in, I forgot what I don't know. But anyways, it's going to be in the link in the bio, but I'm going to use the color called Gussied Up, and I'm putting that all over the crease, and also I'm going to put it on my lid as well. And then after, I'm going to take the shade called Flappers and put it on the center of the lid, kind of to have like a halo eye effect. And I'm just patting it into the center of my eyelid, and then after I'm going to take the previous shade that we used called Gussied Up, and I'm going to blend it in with Flappers so it's kind of a more coherent eye look. And then afterwards I'm going to take the Modern Renaissance and I'm going to use the shade called Golden Ochre and use it as a brow bone shade. More neutral because everything's like really just hot pink. And then taking Gussied Up and just blending that with the brow bone shade so it kind of is like more of a gradient and smooth look. And then I'm just wiping my under eyes from all the fallout. And after, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Pointless Putty Primer and just put it like all over basically the center of my face, like the nose, cheeks, you know, all that. And now I am going to be color correcting my face because I really had a lot of hyperpigmentation from some hormonal acne that I had, so I'm putting that on my cheeks and also my under eyes because it really helps with the under eyes. And then I'm just going to blend that out with just like a random shader brush that I have. And then I'm just going to set the orange corrector with this CoverGirl translucent powder. I'm just setting it over my face to help us kind of with oil control and whatnot. And then I'm using my beloved Baby Tarte, and I am putting that over the hyperpigmentation and then other spots on my face and blending it out with this Amazon really dense concealer brush that I love that is linked below in my card. And then I am going to be using this Revlon Photo Ready concealer for my under eyes. I love it for my under eyes. It literally does not crease, and I have a lot of lines under my eyes, so I love that. And I'm going to be blending it out with the same brush that I use for my face. And then I am setting my under eyes with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in medium deep, and I'm just setting under my eyes and also just around my face. And now I am putting on the game changer, the powder puff. I'm using my L'Oreal powder, and I'm using the powder puff to have a more flawless look with it. It really helps with the powder foundation application, and I am putting on the powder again with brush. And then I am contouring my face with the Black Radiance Contour Kit in medium deep, which I absolutely love and recommend. So now I'm contouring my nose. I use an eyeliner brush to contour my nose actually, and I basically go on the sides of my nose bridge to really have a sharp and defined nose contour. And I just put on the lines and then I blend out the lines. It's really that simple, to be honest. If I really want a more defined nose contour, I'll just go back in and put the lines on again. Throughout this entire like whole get ready with me, I'll be feeling myself, honestly, because the look is a slay. Like, it really did slay, so you'll be seeing me. But here I am just blending out the lines that I did make with the eyeliner and the contour powder, and I'll probably go back in later because I want a more defined nose contour when it comes to this type of look. So now I'm putting on the Milani Coral Cove blush on my cheeks, and I'm going to top that off with this Shop Miss A Lumi blush in Golden Ochre. Apricot.
I'm so proud of myself. Like, I'm really cool. Like, my younger self would be so, like, hyped to myself. Like, they probably be like, oh my god, it's like cool.
And then I'm using my Shop Miss lashes in the style Claire. And then I am gonna put on this skinny black mascara that I have from Shop Miss. I prefer the yellow one though more, but this is available at Shop Miss, and I'm putting it on my lower lashes. And then I put some Got2b gel in my eyebrows, and now I'm highlighting my nose, my inner corner, my brow bone, and the top, well, my cupid's bow, with the highlighter. Not even the highlighter, it's an eyeshadow. I love using this eyeshadow. It is called the Glow Down by Maybelline. And then I am blending it out with this little powder puff just to have a more natural type of look. And then I'm going back into the Roaring 20s palette and using the shade Gussied Up on my lower lash line just to make everything go together. And then now I am doing my lips. So doing my signature honestly nude lip combo. So I use espresso on the outside, and then the inside I put natural pink, and then I'm putting on the ABH Toffee lip gloss on top, and in the center I'm going to put on Fortune Cookie by NYX, and it is just such a beautiful lip combo. I love it so much. It is so pretty, and I'm also going to put some gloss on top just to help with the shiny.
Okay, I like it now, so we're good. I'm gonna come back when, like, I guess everything is put on, but
So basically that's my final look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this little get ready with me. I really enjoyed it, really felt myself, really felt myself. I thought it was a really beautiful look, and it really was like a dream come true for me as a kid. So if you liked it, please sure to subscribe, to share, like with your friends. But thanks for watching, and come back next week. Bye y'all.